Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use VBA code in Microsoft Excel to sort sheets ascending or descending. Alternatively, I can record a macro but this is a tedious manual work when I have many sheets right here. And so writing a VBA code seems to be a more viable and neat method to do the job. So I will show you how to write the VBA code. And I'm reusing the sheets over here from one of my previous video file, create sheets. And if you have not seen it, it's good now to view it. So go to the ribbon over here, developer, and then click on Visual Basic to open up the Visual Basic window. A shortcut to open up this window is, as you can see here, use keyboard shortcut Alt plus F1 for Windows, or Fn plus Opt plus F11 for Mac. Just be sure that this shortcut may not work if you have any other programs installed on your computer, like GeForce Experience or some others where these programs are already using the same shortcuts. And another thing is, if you don't see the developer here on the ribbons, you can go to File, and right here, scroll down, click on Options. So open up this window here. Right here, you click on Customize Ribbon, and you can see all your commands on the left-hand side. And if you want to add any command here that you don't see on your computer, you can just click it and move it to the right hand side. And you can see on mine is I already have the developer command inserted in here. So let's go back here, and if you still remember my previous video where I have a list of the top 10 Olympics Summer Games winners 2024, how many gold, silver, and bronze total over here, and here's the rank, and here are the countries. So let's see how this macro work. Now, prior to clicking on the macro, I also have a VBA code here that I created right here. Save it on the tab here. So when you open up the Visual Basic window, all you got to do is, you can see here it's actually blank, and you can either copy and paste the code in here, or you can type it in here. So let's go back here. Prior to using the macro, because the macro is going to sort these tabs, whether you want to sort it ascending or you want to sort it descending, right? But prior to that, to do that, I need to hide these two tabs. Otherwise, the macro will work with sort the same as the other sheets, right? So I hide these two sheets, and you can see here from 1 to 10. Now go to macro and run it. A message pops up and asks you whether you want it ascending. If you click no, it's going to go descending, right? So I'm going to go to no first because I already have it ascending. So let's go to no to see, and the macro already sorts descending for me. So let's go back here, run it again, and sort ascending. Click yes, and it's just sorting ascending right here, 1 to 10. So this is pretty easy and pretty and this video is going to be a short And this wraps up my presentation. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Easy Win, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching, and bye now. And don't forget to really look at my code sheet here. It's actually, I want to unhide it one more time for you to see the code. Here you go. Thank you for watching again. Bye now.